Today I got a new RC jet ski and I'm gonna drive it around in the water and like just drive it. So here we go. Right now I'm driving it. So you might hear a little noises in the background. And then I'm gonna push it back out. Oops. I'm gonna drive it further out. Turn it around. And go all the way back. Turn it around again. I'm gonna do spirals in the water. And it's making waves in the water. Now I'm gonna drive it. This thing can't really back up, so I have to